Invited guests, veterans, families of war veterans, heads and representatives of the three disciplined forces, media personnel, Mulavinaka, and a very good morning to you all. It is my privilege this morning to launch the media coverage for the 40th anniversary of peacekeeping celebration. Ladies and gentlemen, Fiji has been participating in peacekeeping operation with the UNIFIL since the 10th of June 1978. Fiji's UNIFIL deployment was the first deployment of Fijian troops to a peacekeeping mission, and this year marks the 40 years of Fiji's participation not only in UNIFIL but in peacekeeping deployments around the globe. Peacekeeping has played an integral role in Fiji's development. In Fiji's perception, peacekeeping is an important foreign policy instrument for the nation. Fiji's long history of peacekeeping commitment, in addition to its contribution to global peace, has over the years been a source of income and socio-economic developments for the respective families and communities of soldiers involved. Ladies and gentlemen, peacekeeping, on the other hand, has also played an important role in leveraging Fiji's relations with its strategic partners and has assisted greatly in securing technical and development cooperation for Fiji's security forces as well as other areas of mutual interest. Our global profile has significantly improved as a result of our commitment to peacekeeping. Our chairmanship and participation in various United Nations and international programs could have attributed to the ultimate sacrifice that our men and women in uniform have made in the service of global peace. To acknowledge these sacrifices and selflessness, government, through the Ministry of Defense and National Security, has put in place plans to commemorate this auspicious occasion. The theme for the commemoration program is self-explanatory, and it's titled Fiji's Sacrifice for Global Peace. Ladies and gentlemen, very briefly on the summary of our week-long commemorative program. Is planned to be launched with a church service on Sunday the 10th of June at Suva Centenary Church, and also the other two centers in Lautoka and Labasa. And we are encouraging everyone to dedicate this Sunday for the 40th anniversary celebrations. The reason behind the decision to start our celebration on this particular date was due to the fact that the first contingent that departed our shores for Lebanon attended a farewell church service on the same date at the Centenary Church. Ladies and gentlemen, after the official launch, the following program will be conducted at the following venues. On Monday, the 11th of June, Lautoka celebration will be held at Churchill Park. On Wednesday, the 13th of June, it will be held in Labasa's Suva Park. And on Thursday, the 14th, and Friday, the 15th of June, both here in Suva. The display at the National War Memorial on both days. The RFMF will put up mock checkpoints similar to the ones in Lebanon, and the public is encouraged to go through the checkpoints and have a feel on how checkpoints are manned and the process of checking of vehicles in operations areas. And there will also be a gallery display at the National War Memorial showing photographs of our soldiers in mission areas together with other troop contributing countries at the time. On Friday the 15th of June, a peacekeeping symposium is planned at the GPH, and attendance is by invitation. For the peacekeeping symposium, the Ministry of Defense and National Security is working with the Ministry of Foreign Affairs on inviting a representative from the United Nations headquarters in New York to be our guest speaker. And the symposium will focus on 3 dimensions of peacekeeping, which is diplomacy, that is peace enforcement. Second, development, that's on humanitarian assistance, and on defense, peace building and peacekeeping. And on Saturday, the 16th of June, a ceremonial parade will be held at the Albert Park. The detailed program for the 3 centers, for Suva, Lautoka, and Labasa, would be made available through the media outlets. And we are inviting all those that had served, including ex-servicemen and current serving members of the RFMF, the Fiji Police Force, and the Fiji Correction Service to be part of the celebrations. The week-long program will culminate to a ceremonial parade at the Suva's Albert Park on Saturday the 16th of June, and this will start with a march from the flea market right up to the Albert Park. At Albert Park, the parade will be received and addressed by His Excellency the President before His Excellency lays a wreath in commemoration of all current and ex-servicemen, and not forgetting those that paid the ultimate sacrifice for global peace. To conclude, as we celebrate this important occasion, we should remember those we have lost and also reflect on what they have achieved for peace and stability around the world. Recognitions to their sacrifice and those like them from other troop contributing countries, peacekeeping remains a defining activity for the United Nations and one of the strongest expressions of international solidarity and multilateralism. I thank you all.
So we can capture everyone. Nice, nice.